Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got my Heaven panties, and I believe these are my October pair because I didn't get them in October. They got sort of waylaid and lost, so I believe this is October. It doesn't really matter. It's not like everybody gets the same thing. Everybody gets different things, which is nice. The price of the Heaven panty is $13 a month, and that includes a $15 pair of panties. It also, you get a $13 credit on your account that you can spend in their shop. And it includes a complimentary stylist service, which is valued at $10, and free shipping, which is valued at $8. So it really is a great value. And it comes in this package that nobody can tell what it is. So let's see what's inside here. It's like this usually. I shouldn't say usually, it always is. It's in this nice package. And this, you can see it's been beat up a little bit. This is a Ziploc bag, and you can use this bag for other things. And in here is a card with your panties on it. And these are mine. And they're very pretty. Okay, here they are. Let me take them off the card and show you. They have a website where you can purchase other things. They have other lingerie, and they are expanding what they have. So they are going to be carrying more items, which is really great. So the panties are always valued at $15, okay? These are really pretty. This is, I would call this like a blush pink, maybe a blush peach, and they're just real pretty. They're a nice, this is like I would call this like a midriff or a low brief. It's not a bikini, but it is, you know, lower than a full brief. And this is, here's the waistband is nice and stretchy. And it has this pretty fabric in the front, see, coverage where you need it. And the same in the back, coverage where you need it. And then this particular pair has the lace on the sides. And I'll tell you something about Heaven panties. I've had many, in fact, probably most and all of my panties that I've gotten from them have lace, and the lace is very soft. The lace does not scratch or irritate, and it stays. It stays where it's supposed to stay, which is unusual. A lot of panties, you know, ride up. I never have had that problem with Heaven panties. So they're just super cute, and you know, that lace is really pretty. Really pretty pattern to it. So like I said, I think that is, I think it's a pink blush. So those are my Heaven panties this month, y'all. Thanks for stopping by to see them, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.